I'ma shoot you.
Oh,
There's a camera right here.
okay.
Welcome to Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Put that back. Put it back right now. Get out of here.
Can I help you, sir? Can I help you?
I'm sorry.
Let me...
No, you got to call. Hey, you can call all you want. Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Oh, I see your face.
Okay.
All right.
What do you guys think? Was he trying to use this box as a shelter?
What are you doing, sir?
If you're ordering Instacart, make sure you grab those groceries as soon as possible. We got people on alert.
Sir,
Huh?
did you just take something off of my porch?
Oh,
I saw you reach
oh,
in the bag.
oh,
There's a camera right here.
okay. Sorry.
Thank you.
These shovel thieves are going crazy with this blizzard. Make sure you keep yours
Yeah, what the
inside.
fuck you doing? Fuck you doing? Put my shit back. Fuck is wrong with you? Why you out here stealing shit from people? Yo, go fucking buy something, you fucking idiot. Fuck is wrong with you? I didn't hear you. Can you call 911, please? Yes. My name is Mike. Sodaville. Lebanon, Sodaville.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. Even with the cold weather, these thieves are on the prowl.
Yeah, I wouldn't fucking do that, bitch. Yeah, I see you, ho. Let me see you over here again. You dumbass bitch.
Yo, get your ass from back there. Yo, get your ass from back there. If I come out there, I'm gonna shoot your ass.
Fuck your last
Please come and put my package back.
Just like that other video, we need to bring out paintball guns for these prowlers.
Yo, I see you. I'ma shoot you. I'ma shoot you.
With all the snowstorms going on up north, it's 50 degrees down here in Miami. Let me know how cold it is where you are.
Can I help you?
I got
Can
the
I
wrong
help you?
door. I got the wrong door.
Okay.
You, do you know Barley or Barley? Do you know a barley? Bobby? Barley? No. Puppy. There's someone on this street. I know, and it's late. But we've had this dog for about a week, and he got ran over, and we saw a post. No, oh. He needs his home, and he lives around here. Okay, whatever. People are crazy.
Well, y'all so weird. Y'all so weird. Call the cops now. That's your trash, bitch. That's the luggage you was looking for. You was looking for it, right? You was looking for it, right? Suck my dick and come fight.
This guy comes onto his property claiming he's looking for a drone, but why does he try for the door?
Can I help you?
Yeah. Hey, hi. I'm looking for my drone.
For who?
I was driving my drone, and I think I dropped it. It's somewhere around here. My drone.
I don't think so. We didn't see anything.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Hold on. The door is closed.
Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. This is the wrong house.
You guys are in the wrong house. I'm gonna call the police if you guys don't leave.
It is the wrong house. I'm sorry.
Somebody just stole something and ran.
What?
Right there, that car right there.
Hey!
Look.
Have a nice day. Yeah, my brother's gonna say, hey, help. Dead dog? Just fucking say that? Yeah, have a nice Wednesday. Yeah, have this for the night today. It says, you did not. Jump. Thank you. Hey. Kenny put me on. Mama, stop talking to yourself. You very dog. You burning dog. I think it says another.
Let me know down in the comments where you guys are watching from. I'm going to try my best to include them in the next video.
Excuse me, how can I help you?
Time it, please.
What?
Time it, please.
I don't know you. Can you please? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Can you please go?
Thank you.
Can I help you, sir?
I followed a weird pattern here. I might be at the wrong place.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bother you. I think I
No,
am.
you're fine. You're fine.
My bad.
What's up with all these
Yeah.
people showing up to the wrong house? What do you think is really going on? Make sure you keep those doors locked. Double check before you go inside.
I wasn't in your
sorry. I just passed through.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
Man, I can sit on the couch.
Hey, get out of there.
Thank you for watching Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.